I want to give a really quick overview of this actual whole course. What's inside of what should you expect? And I first want to start off by saying that I've really tried to include really the core, really things that I've learned through being ads and really try to incorporate that throughout this course. So the first thing that we'll be covering is finding your keywords and figuring out exactly, what do you need to know about, what are keywords, but then on top of that as well, figuring out what exactly are going to be the best ones for you to use. On top of that as well, of course, we're going to be making your own ads through Bing, showing you how to do that, along with, on top of all that, explaining just all the other things that you'll want to know, such as, what are, say, the things that you want to be looking out for, how much should you be expecting to pay, all those little details. And on top of that too, I want to be showing you really exactly some of my ads that I have in place and which ones have worked really well. And on top of all of that, also, I've been able to include some more advanced strategies into this course. And also, at the end of this course, I'll share with you some common beginner mistakes that I see people making to really help make sure that you avoid those mistakes, so that way you save both time and money. So that's really the quick overview of this course. But of course, too, if you have any questions at all really throughout this whole course here, then please feel free to contact me. Seriously, I'd be more than happy to answer really any of your questions. I know I keep saying course a lot, and that's why I mentioned that. But regardless, seriously, if you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks so much for really watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.